Hey, welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to fix something that I let slide for a long time in my car, and that's cloudy headlights. When I bought my car in 2014, it's a 2005 Dodge Magnum, the headlights looked fine, but over the years they started to get a little cloudy, a little yellowed, a lot of dirt and grime stuck in there, and they started to look pretty terrible. And you can see in the picture I'm about to show you just how bad they looked. I watched a lot of videos and did a lot of research to see what some of the products on the market out there were for restoring headlights and what would last the longest, and I came to this one product that I think you're going to like. So I'm going to show that to you now. Here's the final result after I used it, and you can see that it did a fantastic job. So what we're using today is what do we want to call this? You can call it the atomizing cup method. What it is a little cup that you put acetone into, an acetone solution, and it vaporizes it, and you put that on your headlights. So I'll show you the whole process in just a minute. Hey, if you're liking this video so far, and if it helps you out, I'd really appreciate it if you would click that like button. And if you want to get more content from me in the future, or if you just like stuff like this and want it to show up in your feed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the bell to get notifications for whenever I put out new content. Thanks. Okay, let's jump right into this. I bought this kit on Amazon. I will put a link in the description down there somewhere. And there's a ton of these kits out there. They're all from China, I think. Mine was, at least. I'm sure you can get them from other places. They range in price. Some are $15 or $20, some are $30 to $50. So I'll try and find a middle of the road option or the exact kit that I got and put a link in the description below. The kit comes with an atomizing cup that either plugs into your cigarette lighter or 12-volt DC plug in your car, or you can get one that plugs into a wall outlet, which I would highly recommend. Mine only plugged into the cigarette lighter, and it was kind of a hassle. It also comes with some masking tape that's not very good, and some various grits of sandpaper, and then the acetone liquid that you put into the cup. So you can shop around a little bit, look for a kit that has an option for cigarette lighter or AC power from your house, which is a better option because you can do a little bit more like that with that. One thing that was not in the box when I opened this was instructions. There were instructions on the Amazon page where I got the kit from, but they weren't very helpful anyway. They were probably written in Chinese first and then badly translated into English. So I can take you through the process. My results were not perfect by any means, but huge difference from what I had before. The basic process goes like this. You're going to start off by, if the headlights are really bad, you're going to sand them, starting with the lowest grit sandpaper. And this kit came with 180 grit, 280, 320, 600, 800, and 1200. And what I did was I would wet the sandpaper down, wet the headlights down, sand it, wipe them off with a dry towel, and then switch to the next grit. So mine were pretty bad, so I used all 6 grits that came in the kit. If yours are just starting to get cloudy or yellow, you could probably get by starting with the 280 or 320 and then moving up to 1200 sequentially. But I started at the very bottom. I kind of wish I wouldn't have used the 180 because there were some scratches, some deeper scratches that I had to take care of later. So I actually finished a headlight and then did the other one and then went back and did the first one again. So that's an option you have if you need to. So when you get all done sanding, wipe your headlights off, make sure they're dry, and then you're going to open the liquid, the acetone vapor liquid, pour it into the cup, and you're going to plug it in and let the liquid heat up in the cup for 5 to 10 minutes until you start to see vapor coming out of the nozzle on top of the cup. And then really you just kind of move in sort of an overlapping pattern until you get all the cloudiness taken out of the headlights. You can go over it again and again if you need to, but it's pretty cool to watch when you're atomizing this acetone vapor, and it's just clearing up the headlights in front of your eyes. It's pretty cool. Like I said, you can sand it back down and redo the whole procedure if you need to. I had to do that with one headlight, and yeah. So here's just a little bit of video of me doing the atomizing procedure after I sanded, because it's pretty satisfying. Here you go. So as you can see, the results are pretty amazing here. Not perfect. They don't look like brand new headlights, but I can see through them now. The lenses are clear, and I noticed an immediate difference in driving at night. I could see a lot better. I thought my headlights were just bad, but clearing up the lenses actually made a huge difference. So I highly recommend this. It's actually been about 6 months since I did this, and the headlights have not started to yellow again. They have not gotten cloudy again. So I would say, so far, this is a good product. So make sure that you look in the description below, and I'll throw an affiliate link down there if you want to buy that, or just shop around and get whatever you want. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, especially if you're still here. So thanks a lot. Have a great day, and come back sometime. Bye.